Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. This is another video on lead generation series. Today we are going to learn how to add Google Ad leads in Zoho CRM and send automated WhatsApp message. Suppose I am having an event management company and in order to promote that business, I have created a lead gen form by using Google Ads. And now I want that whenever a new lead will be generated through it, automatically the same lead should be added in my Zoho CRM account. And at last I also want to send an automated WhatsApp message to each of these leads. So how we are going to do this process automatically and effortlessly? For that we will have to integrate all these applications, and for that we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. Now what we are going to do, we have Google Ads in our trigger, Zoho CRM and Vati in our action. In the place of Vati, you can also take any other application through which you want to send WhatsApp template message such as Interact or AI Sensi. And now we are going to connect all of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically add the leads which are generated from Google Lead Ad Forms to Zoho CRM, and then how can we automatically send a WhatsApp template message to the same leads. Okay, in order to send the WhatsApp template message here, I'm going to use Vati, which has the official API access of WhatsApp. In your case, you can also use any other application through which you want to send WhatsApp template message such as Interact or AI Sensi. Now, in order to create this automation, we will have to integrate Google Lead Ads Form, Zoho CRM and Vati. And for that, I am going to use an amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, on which we can reach directly by typing pabbly.com/connect, this URL in our browser. Once we will reach on this homepage, we can find two options here, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in, but if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. And also when you will create your account, you are going to get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Okay, so because I'm already an existing user, therefore I'm clicking on sign in. And this is the all app section of Pabbly, where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. On this dashboard, we can find all the workflows which we have created, and we can even create multiple folders on this dashboard in order to save our workflows. So as you can find, I have two folders here. In this home folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. Okay, so in the same manner, you can create multiple folders and save your workflows accordingly in them. Now, in order to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. So let's click on it, and a dialog box will appear in front of us. So it is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name here. So I have given a basic name here, add Google Ads leads to Zoho CRM and send WhatsApp message. Okay, now you can give any name to your workflows according to your choice. After giving the name, you can even select the folder in which you want to save your workflow. So here I'm going to select the folder as test, as I want to save this same workflow in this folder. Okay, let's click on create. And as we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us, trigger and action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to initiate the entire workflow and will give a command to the entire workflow. And the action are going to follow the same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now, let's understand the concept of trigger and action once again with the example of this workflow. Here we are going to take, let's say, Google Lead Ads Form in our trigger and Zoho CRM in our action. And we want that as soon as a lead will be generated through Google Lead Ads, automatically the response of that lead should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and the same lead should be added in the form of new lead in Zoho CRM. Now here we can find that action is the response towards our trigger. Okay, so let's start creating this workflow. First of all, we will have to select our trigger application, and that is going to be Google Ads. Okay, so let's select Google Ads here. And now we have to select the trigger event. So trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger event is going to initiate the entire workflow. Okay, so here we are going to select new lead form entry in our trigger event. And here we can find that as soon as we have clicked on connect, a webhook URL is provided to us along with some instructions. So in order to create this automation, first of all, we will have to connect our Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so this is my Google Ads account, and on it I have created a lead generating form. Okay, so this is the form which I have created. It is named as Sparkle Evenings, and I have created this form for registration for my event. Okay, So whenever a person is going to fill up this form and submit it along with the details, all the details are going to be captured in Pabbly Connect. In order to do that, first of all, we will have to connect our Google Lead Ads form with Pabbly Connect. And that we are going to do with the help of this webhook URL. Okay. So with the help of this webhook URL, we are going to connect Google Lead Ads form with Pabbly Connect. And in order to use this, we will have to follow these instructions. Okay. So I'm going to take you to my Google Ads account, and here this is the form which I have created named as Sparkle Evenings. Okay. So it contains the following fields: name, email, and the contact number. Okay. So I have created this form by using only basic fields. When you will create your own form, you can definitely add more fields in that, and then you will receive the response accordingly. So after creating this form and entering all the necessary details, we have to scroll down, and then we will find the option of lead delivery. Okay, so we will click on it, and here we can find the option of webhook integration. Now by using this option, we are going to connect this particular form with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so here in this webhook URL field, first of all, we have to paste the webhook URL which we have received from Pabbly Connect. So let's just copy it, and we will paste it here in this field, and then the next is key. So you must be wondering from where we are going to find the key. The key is the last part of our webhook URL. Okay, so we will simply paste the webhook URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect here in a new tab, and then here we can find that after send webhook data, this part, that is the last part of the webhook URL, is our key. Okay, so we will simply copy it, and here we are going to paste it in key field. Done. So this is our key, and after entering both the details, let's click on send test data. Okay, now when we have clicked on send test data, we can find that test data is sent towards Pabbly Connect. Okay, so basically with this, a test lead is sent to Pabbly Connect. Okay, and here we can find that on Pabbly Connect, we have received all the details of the leads, and these details are of a dummy lead. That means we have successfully connected our Google Ads form with Pabbly Connect, and we have also sent the test data to Pabbly Connect in order to test our integration. So after doing this, we will go back on Google Ads, and here we will click on save. Okay, so as we have clicked on save, this form is now successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. So because I am working in test mode and I am not running any live campaign on my Google Ads account, therefore I am going to continue this automation with the help of this test response only. But in your case, when you will create your own form in Google Ads and you will send the response automatically after setting up the integration, whenever a new lead will be generated through Google Lead Ads form, automatically all the response of the same lead will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. So after receiving the response from Google Lead Ads, what is our next step? Our next step is to add the same lead in Zoho CRM. Okay, so for that, let's move towards our action step, and here in the action application, we will select Zoho CRM, and in the action event, we will select insert or update records. Click on connect, and here from the given options, I'm going to select add new connection to build a new connection with Zoho CRM account. If you already have an existing connection, you can also go with that. Now we will click on connect with Zoho CRM, and here it is asking us for the domain. Okay, now what is our domain and from where we are going to find that? For that, first of all, we will have to go on our Zoho CRM account, and here after coming on Zoho CRM, we can find in our URL that our domain is given over here. So my domain is zoho.in. So I will simply copy it and paste it here in Pabbly Connect. In the same manner, from the URL of your Zoho CRM account, you will find your domain, and then you can select the domain among these options and paste it over here. Now we will click on save. And now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Zoho CRM account. It is 100% safe, so let's click on accept. And we can find that our authorization is successful. Since I was already logged into my Zoho CRM account, the authorization has become successful very easily, and now Zoho CRM account is connected with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you also have to keep in mind always to keep logging to your applications before making up a connection with Pabbly Connect, as it makes the connection simple and easier. So let's move further, and here we have to enter the details in order to create a new lead in Zoho CRM account. Okay, so first of all, we will select the module name, and our module name here will be leads. So the next important field is layout, which is already selected as standard here. Okay, so let's move on, and here some of the details are not mandatory, therefore I'm ignoring them for now. If you want, you can definitely add them. Okay, so I will directly move towards the basic details which I have received from the response, and that is first name, last name, email, and phone number. So let's start with the first name. What we want to create a new lead in Zoho CRM by using the response which we have received from Google Lead Ads. So basically, we are going to use the same details which we have received from our earlier response here in order to map the data. Okay, so what is mapping? Mapping is just inserting the data from our previous step. Okay, so here we will select our previous step like this, and we will find all the details of our earlier response. Okay, so whatever data we want, we will simply select that and it will be mapped. So here we want to map the first name, and first name is given over here. So this is the string value which we have received from our Google Lead Ads response. We will simply select it and it is mapped. So because we have mapped this name here, automatically whenever a new response will be captured from Google Lead Ads, the data in this field is going to be replaced with a new data. That is, a new name will come here in the place of this first name. But if we will enter it manually, then it will become static and it is not going to change with every new response. Therefore, wherever in the workflow we want that data should get replaced automatically, there we use map. And when we want that data should remain same with each and every response, there we type it manually, and that is known as static mapping. Okay, now after mapping the first name, let's map the last name also in the same manner. So here the last name is given, so we have to map the string value which we have received, and we have mapped the last name. The next is email, so in the same manner we will map this email also, and at last the phone number. So here is the dummy phone number which we have received from the response. We have selected it and it is mapped. In all the fields wherever we have mapped the data is going to be replaced in them automatically when the new response will be captured. Now we will move further, and after entering all the basic details, I am simply going to click on save and send test request. And here we can find that we have received the response along with the ID, and because we have received this ID, that means a lead is created in Zoho CRM successfully. Okay, so the code is also success. So let's go and check on Zoho CRM account whether a new lead is created there or not. So after coming on Zoho CRM, we have to go on leads. And here we can find that yes, a new lead is created over here with the same details, first name and last name, test email, and the phone number which we have received from our Google Lead Ads response. So because a lead is created over here, that means our integration is successful up till now. Now what we are going to do, we will move further towards our next step, and our next step is to send WhatsApp template message to the leads which are generated from Google Ads. Okay, in order to send WhatsApp template message, here I am going to use Vati. Therefore, I am going to connect Vati with Pabbly Connect. So let's move towards our next action step by clicking on this Add Action Step button. And here we will select the action application as Vati. After selecting the application, let's select the event, and here we will select send template message. Click on connect. And from the given options, I'm going to go with add new connection. After clicking on add new connection, we have to enter two details over here, API endpoint and access token. Now from where we are going to find these details? To find that, instructions are provided to us here. Okay, first of all, we have to go on our Vati account, and then we have to go on API docs. Under API docs, we will find both the details. So let me take you to my Vati account, and we will go on API docs. After coming on API docs, we can find that both the details are provided to us here. So let us first of all copy the API endpoint, and we will paste it here in Pabbly Connect in the field of API endpoint. The next is access token. So let's again go on Vati account, and we will copy the access token and paste it here. Done. Click on save. And with this, successfully our Vati account is connected with Pabbly Connect. So let's move further, and here we have to enter the details in order to send WhatsApp template message to our Google Ads leads. Okay, so first of all, we will enter the WhatsApp number. So here in this field, we have to enter the number on which we want to send the WhatsApp template message. So here we want to send messages to our Google Ads leads. So we will simply map the number which we have received in the response of Google Lead Ads. Okay, so here is the number. We will simply select it and it is mapped. The next is template name. Okay, so in order to understand that, let me take you to Vati account, and here we will go towards template section. And in this section, we can find that multiple templates are given over here, which I have created for different purposes. So in order to send WhatsApp template message to my Google Ad leads, I have created this template named as Sparkle Events. Let me open it and show you. So this is the preview of the message which I am going to send to my leads. Sparkle Events. Hello test user, your booking has been successfully confirmed. Please check your email test@pabblytudes.com for the past. Thank you for choosing us. Sparkle Events is the name of my company. Because I have selected broadcast title as the name of my company, it is being shown in bold. So whatever we are going to type in our broadcast title, it is going to be shown in bold in the header of our message. Okay, in case if you want to send an image along with this message, you can even select the option of image from broadcast title type. Okay. The next is category. So I have selected the category as marketing, and I have kept the language as English. If you want, you can also select any other language for sending messages to your leads. Okay. Now here let's move towards the body. In body I have used two variables here, first for name and the other is for email. So with the help of these variables we can create the templates in customized format. Okay, so wherever we have used the variable in the message, automatically in that place a new value is going to become. Let's say here in the place of name, a new name of a new person will come along with a new response, and in the place of email, a new email will appear. Okay, so in the same manner, by using variable we can create the customized templates for sending messages to multiple leads. Okay, you can use multiple variables according to your choice, according to your business requirements. Now if you want, you can also attach a footer line along with the message by using this footer option, and even you can attach a call to action button. Okay, but I have kept this message very basic, therefore I have ignored these two fields. After creating the template, you also have to provide the sample content, the values which you want to use in the place of variables. So here I have used two variables, therefore I have provided two sample contents. First is for name and the other is for email. Sample contents are not required always to be exact, you can also provide dummy details. Okay, so here I have given a dummy name and a dummy email in place of these two variables. So after creating the entire template, you also have to send it for approval, and once it will get approved, then you can use it very easily to send WhatsApp template messages to multiple people. Okay, now because my template is approved here, I am going to use it in order to send messages. So we will move towards Pabbly Connect, and here it is asking us for the template name. So the template is already selected as Sparkle Events. Okay, the next is broadcast name. So whatever title we have used in the broadcast, we have to enter that here. So we will open the template once again, and here my broadcast title is Sparkle Events. So I will simply write Sparkle Events here. So broadcast title must be the exact which we have used in the template. Okay. The next and the very important step is custom parameters. Now here in this field, we have to enter the values for the variables which we have used in our template. So whatever variable we want to use, we have to provide the values which will come in place of that same variable. And the value must be in this format only. So a single mistake in this field is going to make the workflow stuck. Therefore, without taking any risk, I am simply going to copy the same format here and I will paste it. Okay, now I'm going to make the changes in this format only. The first variable which I have used is for name. So in front of name, the name of the variable is going to come, and in front of value, the value which we want to use for the variable is going to come. So I have used first variable in the template for name. Therefore, in the place of name here, I'm going to enter name only. And in the place of value, here the name of the person is going to come. So I'm going to map the name from Google Ads response, and this is the first name. Okay. And now because I have mapped this name, every time along with a new response, this name is going to be replaced and a new name will come here in this field. Okay. Okay, so we have entered the custom parameters in the correct format. Now in case if you want to enter the values for more than one variables, you have to use a comma and a space. And then again you have to copy the same format and paste it over here, and then you will make the necessary changes. Okay, so because I have used two variables there, I am going to simply enter a comma, a space and paste the same format. And now I'm going to make the necessary changes. So the second variable is for email. So in the place of name here, the email is going to come. Okay, and now here I'm going to map the email from Google Ads response. Done. So in the same manner, in order to reduce the chances of errors, you can use the same trick. Copy the exact format, paste it here in this field, and then make the necessary changes. In order to enter more than one values, use a comma and a space. Okay, now after entering all the details successfully, let's click on Save and Send Test Request. And we have received a response, and because we have received a contact ID, that means a message has been received on WhatsApp number which we have mapped. Okay, so in the response we have received the phone number, the first name and other details of the person. Okay, so let's go and check on WhatsApp whether a message is received or not. And yes, we can find that a message is received over here on WhatsApp with the title as Sparkle Events. Hello first name, your booking has been successfully confirmed. Please check your email for the past. Thank you for choosing us. Okay, so because we have received the message, that means our workflow is perfectly successful. So let's go back on Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done in this workflow. So we have taken 3 simple steps here, trigger and 2 actions. In trigger, we have taken Google Ads, and in action, we have taken Zoho CRM and Vati. And we have connected all of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a new lead will be generated through Google Lead Ads form, automatically the response of the same lead will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. And by using the same response, a new lead will be created in Zoho CRM. And at last, also a WhatsApp message will be sent automatically to the same lead. Okay, here in order to send the template message, I have used Vati. you can definitely use any other application. So in the same manner, by following these simple steps, you can create this automation very easily, and this is going to enable you to nurture your leads which you have received from Google Ads, and also to send them WhatsApp message automatically in order to connect further with them. Okay, so this was another video on lead generation series. I hope this was helpful for you. We are going to learn more such automations and lead generation strategies in our upcoming video. So up till then, thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.